desktop shortcut and click on Open File Location. And then open this folder here, the FiveM application data. And in here, I click first of all on Data, and then click into Cache. And here, you can just either you press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, or just select every item in here and then just delete everything. In order to do that, you need to close FiveM. So make sure that nothing from FiveM is still open in the background. For that, you can also use a task manager. And then back to data, and also in the server cache, also here, delete everything that is in here. And then we can go back to the FiveM application data. And also, I would suggest you to click to open the logs folder, and also here, delete everything that is in here. And if you've done that, we can already close this folder and we can start FiveM. And the issue should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If not, just leave a comment and I will write it back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. See you. Bye.